Hi guys, welcome to Learning with Kalim Asea. I'm Kalim,
And I'm Asea.
and today we're going to be starting Excel and going over the basics. First, what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet software made by Microsoft, used for data management, calculations, analysis, and charts. Excel interface, the ribbon. The ribbon is a menu with tools, files, home, insert, etc. As you can see, if you open Excel, blank workbook, and here is the ribbon. File, home, insert, page layout, etc. Next is a worksheet. A worksheet is the area made of cells, which is right here. Next is columns. Columns are marked with letters A, B, C, etc. Right here we can see columns. They're A, B, C, D, etc. Next is rows. Rows are marked with numbers. As you can see, rows on the left side. Next is the cells. Cells are where the column and a row meet, which is all these little columns right here.
So now I'm gonna show you guys a couple of ways to open Excel. So first would be clicking on start, and then right here you can just simply open Excel. And after that would be taskbar, which is right here. Or if you don't have Excel pinned to taskbar, you could once again go to start, find Excel, right click, and then right here you can pin or unpin from taskbar. After that would be run command. So we're gonna open run by holding Windows and then clicking R right here, and then we're gonna just search up Excel, and then OK. And then right here it opens Excel for us, and then after that we're gonna do Task Manager. Once again, we're gonna right click on Start. We're gonna go to Task Manager right here. And then right here, Excel Microsoft, we're gonna open it, and then we're gonna double click on that, and it opens Excel.
Next we have entering data plus saving files. Entering data. The way you can enter data is clicking a cell, typing, then pressing enter or tab. So let's say we want to type something in this cell right here. Let's say you're gonna type Excel. You can press enter to save data, or you can press tab. Also, you can use the arrow keys to go down. You want to go up or left and right. After that is types of data. Numbers, text, dates, and formulas. Numbers is simply numbers. Next is text. For example, Excel. Again, there's dates. You can do 2, 21, 25. Next are formulas. Formulas like a simple way you can add, multiply, or multiple other ways. But I'm gonna show you guys addition example. So let's say you want to add 22 plus 89. You're gonna click on the cell on the bottom. You're gonna press equal, and you're gonna type sum, and you're gonna double click on sum. Before typing any formula, you're always gonna type equal, the equal sign. Now you're gonna simply select both of your numbers you wanna add, and you're gonna press enter. As you can see, 111 is the sum. Next is saving a file. One way you can save your file is going to File, then pressing on Save. So as you can see, tab File, you're going to press on File. You're going to go to Save, and that's one way you can save. Another way you can save is by just simply holding Control and pressing S, and we'll do the same thing for you. Next is using Save As. For Save As, you can choose a location, and you can change your file name and type. So for Save As, you will go to File, and instead of pressing Save, you're going to press on Save As, and you can choose the location you want your file to save. You can change the name, and you can choose the type.
Okay. Next is selecting cells, rows, columns, and moving data. First one is selecting a cell. So right here you can simply just select one cell by clicking on it, and for multiple cells you're just gonna click and then drag the mouse just like that, and then you can select. After that is selecting rows slash columns. Click row numbers or column letters. So you're gonna, if you wanna select the whole row or column till the bottom, you're just gonna go on the letter or number and click on it, and it selects the whole column or row. After that is moving data. So let's say I'm gonna use numbers as an example. So 1 and 2, and if you wanna continue 1, 2, 3, and so on, you're just gonna select them both, and then make sure bring your pointer to the dot on the bottom corner, and make sure the pointer changes, and then just hold and then drag it down, and then I'll write the numbers down for you. Next is copy and paste. Copy and paste, you can use Control C and Control V. For example, let's say we want to copy this text right here. You're just gonna hold Control and click C, and then once you see those moving dashes on the corners, that means it's copied. And you could go here, Control V, and then it'll paste it. After that is cut and paste. Cutting the text is technically, let's say you want to copy this text right here, but after copying you don't want it to be here and you just want to paste it somewhere else. You're gonna hold Control and then press X. That's copied, and then Control V. So it just transfers it from there to the next cell.
Next is creating a simple data table. Opening a new Excel file, A1, you're gonna type item name. So let's go here and you're gonna open a new file. So A1, you're gonna type item name, A1, and then go to B1. B1, we're gonna type quantity. We're gonna go to C1. C1, we're gonna type unit price. We're gonna go to D1. D1, we're gonna type total price. So this is basically the titles of our table, and let's say like your title doesn't really fit in the cell, you can just bring your mouse in the between this line, in between A and B, you can double click and it will fit the text inside the cell. Okay, now let's say your item name is a pencil, and let's say the quantity of pencils you have in stock are 25 pencils. Unit price, let's say $25. No, $2. Total price $25. Next item is a notebook. Quantity 20. Unit price $5. Total price $40. And you're just gonna go on with the more products you have. And once you have all your products listed, you're just gonna select all of them by clicking the cell and dragging it, selecting it off. And to create the table, you're just gonna hold Control and you're gonna press T, and you're gonna make sure it has your table, the whole table selected, and you're gonna press OK. And there you have it. You have your table. And if you don't want these drop-down menus here, you can simply go to Table Design, and you can turn off the filter button. And there you guys have it. The simple the basics of Excel. Thank you guys for watching.
See you guys in the next time.